Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys my first two Rubik's Cubes out I bought. And the first one is the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So it turns well. So this costs like almost this. So I bought this at Target, and this Rubik's Cube just costed $10. Okay, now my second one is the 3x3 Phantom Cube. So this Rubik's Cube can go from color to black. So guys, if you put this in the freezer, it will turn back, and then you can rub it with your body heat. And guys, you can also make the colors appear again by rubbing it with your body heat, with your hands, your arms. Okay, and this is what happens when you rub this Rubik's Cube with your body heat. The colors are appearing. So guys, you can also wait for the colors to turn black too, and then rub it with your hot body heat too. So guys, which Rubik's Cube do you like the most? The 3x3 Rubik's Cube or the 3x3 Phantom Cube? Just see them in the comments, and I'll see you. So, bye.